Good morning, only because I have a coffee.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yes, and I got pink hair. It's a better morning. So this morning, today is kind of a busy day. Tone, I hope you know you're traveling with us today. I hope you're not going to work, right?
No, I wasn't.
Huh?
I wasn't.
You weren't?
I was thinking about it, but I probably wouldn't.
Okay, so as you guys know, well, you don't know, but
Hey, buddy.
was it August, Tone?
I don't even know.
When I got the phone call?
Oh, yeah, probably.
I think in
It
August.
was last month, right? No, it was 2 months ago you got the phone.
Okay, well, 2 months after Tony graduated, all that other stuff, you guys saw that. Like, all of a sudden, I'm taking a nap, and this is story time, by the way. And I get this phone call, and they're like, can I speak to so-and-so, my son? Or I thought it was my husband, and I'm like, my husband? And they were like, no, he's 18. I was like, oh, that's my son. What's going on? The battery's dying.
How? Where's your other battery?
I left it at home.
Hey.
Anyway, and wow, this will be the beginning of it. And so he proceeds to tell me that Tony had a warrant out for his arrest for what was it?
Something
Disorderly conduct.
There you go.
So I'm like, how could he? Did he do something? Oh no, this is from April.
Yeah.
I'm like, how could they put a warrant out for his arrest now from April? And so he was like, well, you know, it doesn't look like anything is going to happen because it looks like his record's clean, whatever. And so you just need to go to court. Or he needs to turn himself in. So, on the phone because the camera died. Henceforth, why you see a different type of quality of picture. Okay, where was I? Oh, okay. So he tells me that this happened and that he doesn't think there's anything to worry about. So we take Tony to go turn himself in, whatever. Oh, it's not really nothing to worry about. You just got to go to court and they'll tell you what to do from there. So he gives us a court date. He says it's something that happened in April, which meant it was something that happened at the school. Now, I don't know if it had to do with the hat.
It did. It did. They told me.
It did. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, the hat situation. Remember the hat situation? Yeah. I know. I was dumb. My son was out of line, but it's my baby, so obviously
I was not out of line.
You were out of line.
I was not out of line. He crossed the line first, and
okay,
I crossed
but
it further.
You cannot be
just a high school kid.
Right,
but you
still have to have
self-control. He knew better. He was a grown man. He knew better.
Okay, but you still have to have self-control.
You gotta know better too.
Because they didn't care about what he did. They
I know
care
better
about what
now, but before, like, he should have known better. He should have known I am supposed to be someone this kid could look up to. I should not be doing this.
Okay. Well, anyway, so Tony bugged out that day.
I think his thing was that you were constantly wearing the hat, and that last day was finally he just.
Anyway. They put out a warrant.
Nah, Dad, he was in a bad mood, and I asked for my hat back, and I was in a bad mood too, and it made him mad.
Okay.
Then I wasn't saying, please give me my hat back.
That got situated. He was able to graduate. Like, he did not get arrested for that at that time. Like, they knew where he was. He still went to school every single day. Like, he did not. Supposedly, what had happened was I guess there was a report made. It wasn't followed through, but then the state picked it up. The state picked it up or something like that. I don't know how it works, but anyway, that's why it wasn't filed until August. So anyway, we go to the court thinking that we're gonna go into court. And we don't. Tony goes into this office. Obviously, we can't go in with him because he was 18 at the time that it happened, and he's 18 now. So, like I was saying, like, after you're 18, mommy can't save you no more. So, Tony got to go in by himself. They proceed to tell him, do you want to get a lawyer and fight it? Or do you want to take community service? So, at that point, Tony knew that he was wrong. He bugged out. He did what he did, man. And so now he has to take the repercussion from it, which is doing community service. Now,
yeah, I'm just going to pick my days today.
Right. So he didn't have to pay no fine. They didn't make him pay no fine. It was basically a slap on the hand. But it wouldn't be smart to fight it because he was out of control at that time. He was bugging.
I would have won if I fought. Kidding. The dude was definitely in the wrong.
Okay. You got disorderly conduct, which means that you were not acting appropriate.
I didn't just spaz out for no reason.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. If two people are fighting in the street, they're both going to get disorderly conduct and get arrested. It doesn't matter who's right, who's wrong. You were basically fighting yourself out in the street at the school. You were mad. You were yelling. You were swearing. You were hitting stuff. You were angry. Okay?
Calling them out their name. He was being very disorderly.
Right. So that's what that is. So anyway.
Regardless, and that's the thing that you have to get out of it. Regardless of how people make you feel, you still got to have self-control. You still got to watch
Yes,
yourself.
because if you are somewhere in public and you act like this,
and
this
then
is what
ask
happens.
yourself this, because you said it was his fault, right? Is he going to
No,
court?
he's definitely in the wrong.
Is he going to court?
Right. So anyway, you can't call the cops on him for throwing your hat on the floor.
If you would have handled it right, you could have got him in trouble. If you would have just been like, and then went to a higher, like, yo, look,
right.
this guy
If you would have walked away, and went to the principal and been like, listen, so and so threw my hat on the floor. I feel so disrespected. I want to really bug out right now, but I'm not.
I didn't.
Self-control, doing the right thing.
Then he'd be like, thank you, sir. We're going to handle that guy for you.
So now we're going to the courthouse. He's going to get his days to do community service. We don't know if it's going to be here or somewhere else. So we're going to have to figure out what he's going to have to figure out.
I have to come here and they're going to...
Courthouse attire. Move up. Just a tad.
Pizza Dave in the house.
August.
When I first got here, then I forgot this.
Oh, now look at the line.
What are you grateful to?
Nah. I don't even know what you would call it. A disagreement of some sort that happened months ago.
Make America great one slice at a time.
Yo, one slice at a time, bro.
Great.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go talk to people in front. Now, listen, we're all really busy today.
Yeah. Okay.
You guys speed this up.
Yeah.
Like,
Good.
listen,
Good
I
luck
don't
with
want
that.
to be here. I know you guys want lunch, like I want lunch. You know, let's work together here.
Shut up.
I think maybe we'll be.
Maybe we could just come in as a group. You know, we could just.
You know, that would be great.
Man,
Kilo still needs some more coffee.
I do. It's in the car, so you can't bring your coffee in here. Oh my God, that's why people.
Go out, drink it, come back. We'll still be here. We'll
Like,
still
I'm
be
snap
here.
someone say something to me. I think my proper. Excuse me, sir. I totally don't understand what's going on here. Before then, raging. Yeah, I never been before. It does, but it doesn't mean you know. It's just like the DMV, bro. It just they go on your own time. Don't care about nobody else. Yeah, it's. And the DMV is even worse. After they deal with one person, they be like, yeah, I'll be back. 15-minute break. You know, like every person gets a 15-minute break. You know?
Stay out of trouble.
And they come back with attitude. Like, oh, you take
This
15-minute
line
break. Go
is
constantly.
more. This line
You're
is
angrier
more
than when you
torturous
stressing
than
you out.
actual
Go
court
smoke another cigarette.
itself.
Come back happy. So you did the same thing I did too. Like this line ain't that long. Holy crap!
That's what I did too. I think everybody who turns the corner does that.
That's what I did too. I'm like, oh, it ain't that bad today.
I saw the line.
So I turned the corner.
Came in and I was like,
Yeah,
So I
well,
turned the corner.
get in line, bro.
I want the world to know that this is. I'm not at the side. I'm next.
You're not going anywhere on that side. I mean, you're not funny. You're not
Just a little
the.
bit.
You are not the clown of the courthouse.
I could be.
No.
The clowns? I don't want to be a clown. Too much makeup. I gotta wear the red nose and wear the funny shoes. Relax, babe. Jeez, the world's not that,
You're
not
gonna
that
get him in
serious.
trouble before he
Unless your dad's an asshole. You're in trouble.
Yeah.
No, babe.
Yeah.
That was quick. Just a whole hour and a half of my time. You know? I don't get that back. Yeah, that's what I call it too. I'm gonna be real late. Oh yes, the court's crazy.
It's not even for you.
Taking my time. I know, for real. So to wait where? Wait here?
Stand right next to the door then.
Okay. Well, that's weird. Hey, thanks for waiting in the line. Can you wait a little bit more?
Yeah, right? What the hell?
I need you to wait a little bit more.
Yeah, that's weird.
You didn't wait long enough.
Finally get in the room and they put him out and tell him to wait.
Talking. They were just talking, these two girls. They were like,
To
can you
each
just
other.
wait outside to the left? I was like, yeah. We'll call you back in.
What the hell? Alright. It's too much. He needs. Dad, you got so much energy.
Wow.
Oh my God. What?
Yeah, she told me exactly what they told me last time. They didn't know it was for the first time.
What?
Yeah, she was like, do you want like this before taking you to service? And I was like, and then she kept explaining things that I was trying to tell her. I didn't know she before. She was like, hold on. I was like, yeah, well, you know, I already was here. I told you we would have to go upstairs.
Oh.
Yeah, but you didn't tell us when we were going upstairs.
They gave me a day, but
So that would be the day of
October 25th? No, 4th.
I want to do November
27th
27th and 29th. I don't know. I'm just
This is move on, guys.
oh my god.
Back where we started.
Going up?
Going up. That's not strong there, huh? Whoa. Whole body just like dropping quick. Okay, and a strong stop too.
Getting off.
Oh yeah.
This is us, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Look at you acting a fool. That's what's so late. You're going with her. You're going with. Oh.
He said, hold on.
Oh, go with it.
Can I?
Hey, let me just explain how this works. Is this an infraction? Were you in the infraction court 1A or were you in line?
Line.
In the line. Okay. So now they're going to refer you for 1025. That's going to be the next court date. Okay?
Where I come back here or where I go to
Let me show you. So you're gonna come up here to the second floor. You've been referred to us now. So your file will be up here in room 222, which is gonna be right here on the sheet. And that's when you talk to the prosecutor in community court that's gonna have your file, and they'll tell you how many days. I don't know if somebody told you the amount of days yet. How many? So they'll mark the file. When that file comes up and then this prosecutor sees the marking, they'll say 2 days, and then that's when you look on the calendar to pick your community service days to come back to go out in the van.
Okay.
Okay, so after today, after I sign you up, you're not gonna do anything until the 25th. And then on the 25th, you're gonna be just picking days, You go in front of the judge, put the dates on record. We send you home with everything that you picked and your instructions. You come back on those days and do it. You don't have to come back anymore. You get the dismissal.
All right, we're out. We're out now, and we got to come back so that he could go in front of the judge, so the judge could take all the documents and then tell him, okay, that's the deal, and now next time you gonna go. Wait, you pick your days that day?
Yes.
Okay. He's gonna pick his days next time.
He basically, the judge is gonna make it.
We stood in the
official.
line for no apparent reason.
Well,
because they told him to go upstairs. But I guess you needed the paper to get up there? I don't know.
I should have told her, let's fight it. Because she asked me again what I wanted to do. I should have been like, let's fight the case.
Why? No, you can't. You did what you did. I mean, I guess you could have said, I don't know.
It was justified.
No, it was not justified. Nothing like that is justified. It could never be justified. Like, if you broke something...
yeah, losing your cool is not justifiable.
Right.
I go first. I go first. You're turning. I'm going straight. I go first.